Back with the F&O Show, and after a quiet start, it's beginning to lift up for the equities. In fact, we're perking up quite nicely intraday. Let's just hope these gains are maintained. So a good 1% move coming in for the spot Nifty, 53.50 on the Nifty futures. Is turning out to be a steady session up until now. Escorts reacting positively to its earnings. The stock holding up by about 7.5%. You've got Z Entertainment, Max India, Tata Motors, DVR, as well as the stock, IDFC, NCC, Sun TV, Shobha Developers, as well as Karnataka Bank, which are your top notchers in trade. Berhampur Chini, meantime, is reacting negatively to its earnings, which have come in way below street estimates. It's a flattish quarter. We were expecting a profit this time around, but no, it's a loss that they've posted. Ditto is the case with Tata Chemicals as well. Disappointing quarter, and the stock has taken a knee-jerk reaction, so to speak. A couple of other result reactions. PEML is one such case in point, wherein the stock is currently down by about 2.5%. CESC, BPCL, United Spirits, Sri Renuka, Bajaj Hindustan, HPCL, Godrej Industries, as well as GSK Pharma and Power Grid are some other losers in trade. But what trade should you be executing, and what's the call on the index? Let's bring in our experts on board, CK Narayan, Sandeep Agle, as well as Sela Kaji. Join in for more on that. CK, firstly, your thoughts on on the way we've shaped up today.
Well, the indices are certainly doing doing pretty well right now, and I think the Bank Nifty joining in the celebrations is something of a matter of rejoice for most of the traders, because it's rare to see, at least in recent times, that the Nifty has sped up by a few percentage points, but the Bank Nifty has been languishing. That has been the case recently, but then today it seems to be making amends, and Bank Nifty is up and running pretty smartly. And if you recall, yesterday we went long towards the end of the day in Bank Nifty because the signals were in place. So as of the moment, we are long in both the Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. Now 53.60 thereabouts was the first of the suggested targets for the Nifty. We are within shouting distance of it, so some amount of profit booking could be done by those who are holding long. In the Bank Nifty, I think the profit booking area would be somewhere around, let's say, 10,750 to 10,800. I think what one needs to do, of course, is to revise the stop losses on the long position so that either you don't risk anything or you actually make something even if the market were to pull back. So certainly look to revise your stop upward. On Nifty, I would suggest about 5280 plus, and on Bank Nifty about 10,400. So be long, hold long, take some profits here and there, but then don't change to short, because this market seems to be having sufficient legs to continue higher.
Okay, that's the call coming in the Bank Nifty as well as the index. Some comments coming in meantime on Fitch on the new spectrum pricing, saying that is going to actually instigate M&A activity as well as the tariff hike as well, and it is going to augur well for the telecom space. That is Fitch's view on the new spectrum pricing. Meantime, Sandeep, just want to bring you in as well. What have you made of the market momentum today, and what trade would you execute on the index?
Well, the Nifty has moved up very well. It was languishing for a few days in the last week, and our target of 53.50 has come. But I see more traction. I see the move extend till 5400, 5420, but not comfortable taking a buy call at this level. Yes, a correction of 30-40 points, 53.20 to 5300, that would be an ideal level where you can take a buy call with a 30-35 point downside risk and play for a 100 point upside, makes a case for a 1:3. At this level, we have booked some profit in whatever little positions we have had in the Nifty. We have not had many long positions in the Nifty because this move has been in gaps, so we could not capture the whole move. But I see some more traction upside, and absolutely with Dr. Narayan, the way is only upside. The Nifty may consolidate, the Nifty may move sideways and be in a 50-70 point band, and individual stocks may take over. But you can't go short in this market, that is for sure.
Okay, sitting in at the highest point of the day, the Nifty spot incidentally is now at 53.40, and the futures too have perked up very smartly in trade. Let's bring up the Nifty futures as well for you. That of course is the spot Nifty. The futures picture as well would just come up here on your screens, 53.53. So clearly 53.50 has been conquered, at least as of now. Sela, what is your view on which way the index is headed, and what trade would you execute?
As mentioned by the gentlemen, the Nifty was consolidating around 50 points in 5200, 5250 band. But as some of the stocks like Pharma, FMCG were doing well, and now the bank stocks have also joined in, so Nifty has crossed 5300 very swiftly and volumes have also picked up. I believe the next sectors which will participate is more likely to be the metal space like Tisco, Hindalco, Sterlite, and because their numbers are also getting over, they are almost on the line with the market expectations. Globally also commodities are showing some signs of reviving. So I believe Nifty has a room towards 5450 in next couple of trading sessions.
Okay, slip into a quick break on that note. When we come back, as always, we'll get you stock-specific recommendations from our three experts.